Welcome to a short video from CBS Automotive. This is the Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser product that we've installed on this Jaguar F-Type. So I'd just like to run you through a bit about the product and what it is and how it works on this particular vehicle. Every vehicle is different. So this product is an immobiliser which is completely hidden away. You can't see anything, and it's also non-traceable. It's becoming quite a popular product for us, and this is sort of how it works. So you get in your vehicle, and if you try to steal the vehicle, what you'd normally do is, obviously, if you've got the keys even, so I've got the keys here. So if I press the start button with my foot on the brake like normal, the vehicle starts. On this particular car it does start. A lot of other cars it just won't start. So, but now I need to drive away, so I'll put the vehicle in reverse, and that's what you see there. I can't go anywhere, so it's gone back into park. So what I'm going to do again, I'll show you that again. So I'm going to put it in reverse, and I can't go anywhere, and it's back in park. Whether I want to go in drive or anything, it's exactly the same. So I can literally go nowhere. I'm stuck where I am. So now I'm in park. So to show you the product, how it works, so that's all installed. So all you have to do is just recycle the engine ignition. So next time you get in the vehicle, now you know your pin code, you've got your Ghost installed. So on vehicle, this particular vehicle, for demonstration purposes, this will get changed. Is we've chosen to use the flappy paddle on here, to press that a couple of times, and then that will show a start on the vehicle. So we get in the vehicle, slight change. So you have to put your foot, take your foot off, and then put your ignition on. So everything as normal again. And what you do is you pull this forward on this particular example. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to get 2 lights there, flashing there. So that means it's acknowledged. I can put my foot on the brake, press the start button. Again, same situation. So now when I select reverse, I've got a nice little pretty little camera there, and off I go. So I can drive off nice and easily. If you have any questions about this product or how the product works or its functionality, or to get an install arranged, please do give us a call. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. Alternatively, we do have a webpage designated to Autowatch Ghost product on our website. Just search for CBS Automotive and then go to products and services, and you can find the Autowatch link just there. Well, thank you very much for watching.